Low caloric density. One of the key factors contributing to broccoli's effectiveness in weight loss is its low caloric density. With a low calorie count per serving, you can consume a satisfying portion of broccoli without significantly impacting your overall caloric intake. High fiber content. Broccoli is a rich source of dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in weight management. Fiber adds bulk to your meals, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing the likelihood of overeating. This satiety effect can contribute to better portion control and, consequently, weight loss. Nutrient-packed superfood. Beyond its weight loss benefits, broccoli is a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, it ensures you get the necessary nutrients while keeping your calorie count in check. Metabolism boost. Broccoli contains compounds like sulfonamides that have been studied for their potential to boost metabolism. While the impact may not be dramatic, a slightly increased metabolic rate can aid in burning more calories, supporting weight loss efforts. Low in fat. For those watching their fat intake, broccoli is an excellent choice as it is naturally low in fat. Choosing low-fat, nutrient-dense foods is a fundamental principle in many successful weight loss strategies. Regulates blood sugar levels. The fiber and antioxidants in broccoli may contribute to better blood sugar control. By preventing spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, broccoli can help stabilize energy levels and reduce the likelihood of unhealthy food cravings and snacking. Versatility in cooking. Broccoli's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into various meals. Whether steamed, roasted, or added to salads and stir-fries, you can enjoy its weight loss benefits in a variety of delicious ways. Hydration component. Broccoli has a high water content, contributing to your overall hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for weight loss, as it can help control hunger and support metabolic processes. Promotes a balanced diet. Including broccoli in your diet encourages a more balanced and diverse eating pattern. Weight loss is not just about cutting calories but also about ensuring your body receives the essential nutrients it needs for overall health. Long-term sustainability. A crucial aspect of any successful weight loss plan is its sustainability. Broccoli, being a tasty and nutritious vegetable, can be a sustainable component of your diet, helping you maintain your weight loss goals over the long term. While broccoli is a valuable addition to a weight loss-oriented diet, it's important to emphasize overall lifestyle factors, including regular physical activity, mindful eating, and sufficient sleep for holistic and lasting results. Always consult with healthcare professionals or nutritionists for personalized advice based on individual health needs.